In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a ClickUp to-do list. We'll go through the process from start to finish so you can quickly build a simple, organized list of tasks inside ClickUp and keep track of what needs to get done. To begin, open the ClickUp space where you want your to-do list to live. Spaces help organize different areas of your work, so choosing the right one at the start makes it easier to find your list later and keep everything in the right place. Once you're inside the correct space, look for the plus icon beside that space and click it. From the options that appear, select List. This creates a new list inside that space, which is where your tasks will be stored. If you use ClickUp for multiple projects or categories, creating a separate list can help keep your to-dos focused and easy to manage. Next, enter a name for your to-do list. Choose a title that clearly describes what the list is for. A simple, specific name can make a big difference when you come back later and need to locate it quickly. After naming the list, click Create List. Your new to-do list is now ready to use, and from here you can begin adding the individual tasks you need to complete. Inside the list, click Add Task. This is where you'll create each item on your to-do list. Type the name of the item you need to complete. Try to make each task name clear and action-oriented so you immediately understand what needs to be done when you look at it. If needed, you can also add more task details. Set an assignee if the task belongs to a specific person, add a due date to keep track of deadlines, choose a priority level to highlight what matters most, and update the status if you want to show where that task stands. These details are especially helpful if you're managing several tasks at once or collaborating with others. Continue repeating the same process to add every item to your to-do list. As you build out the list, keeping task names consistent and details up to date will make the list much easier to review and maintain over time. When a task is finished, click the status or check mark beside it to mark it complete. This helps you track progress clearly and gives you a quick view of what's done and what still needs attention. That's all it takes to make a ClickUp to-do list. Once your list is set up, it becomes a simple but powerful way to stay organized, focused, and on top of your work. Thanks for watching.